Notice that there are flowers right next to the tombstone. It's pretty common for people to place flowers on top of tombstones, so hopefully it will be easy to remember that there are several flowers shown in the image. Just like in our other videos, flower sounds like flora, so it's in this image to help you remember that Actinomyces is part of the normal oral, reproductive, and GI flora. One of the most important associations to be familiar with for step 1 is the mouth. In order to help you remember this, we've shown Hamlet holding up a skull with its mouth open. More specifically, the skull with an open mouth should help you remember that Actinomyces colonizes the mouth, is found in dental caries, and can cause cervicofacial disease. Okay, now let's bring in the director. You can see that he's sitting in his nice comfy director chair and was enjoying some coffee when he accidentally aspirated some of his drink. If you look closely, you can see that now he's coughing it up and little drops of coffee are starting to fly into the air. We've included this part of the image to help you remember that pulmonary actinomyces can develop following aspiration. So director guy aspirating coffee for pulmonary actinomyces may develop following aspiration. Next, notice that we've shown the director's assistant, who appears to be very overworked. Look at her holding a laptop in one hand, a camera on her other arm, and simultaneously talking on the phone. I think she deserves a raise. Anyway, all of the devices she's holding should help you remember that Actinomyces can cause pelvic inflammatory disease in the setting of an infected intrauterine device. So devices for intrauterine device infection can result in PID. Okay, now let's turn our attention back to Hamlet. Notice that we've added a pouch at his side with some pennies falling to the ground. They kind of blend into the ground, but if you look closely, you can see several of them right here. Just like in our other videos, the pennies are in this image to help you remember that the treatment for Actinomyces is penicillin.